What's up? Nobody ever shares the underside of their layout, so I thought I'd show my progress today. These are all the switches, wires, and the power feeder wires. I've just got the power feeders dangling here. I ran out of wire, so I gotta go get some more. I got 4 ran here, and I think I've got like 2 or 3 more runs to make. This is the back side of the control panel here. Pretty crazy back here, but it's all pretty good. These are the jumble of switch wires, and then a couple UCS wires. Okay. Hope you all had a great weekend. Got some stuff done on your layout. Happy railroading. All right. We got some power. This all the whole thing's all powered up. It's not block powered yet, but it's wired for that. I just don't have the switches hooked up to that, but this track is powered, that track's powered. That's the old original outside loop. It already had power. And that one's powered, and then the one behind there in front of the horse corral is powered. I haven't wired any of these accessories yet. The only one I have wired to so far is this water tower, but I haven't climbed under the other side of the layout and hooked it up yet. But anyway, here we go. Pretty sweet. Oh, you couldn't see it because I didn't pan over there, but the caboose, that little siding, it's all powered. It all works. It's amazing. Got my little picture back there still. I don't think I'm going to move it. I really like it sitting there. Okay. Everything's looking good. Get these accessories wired up and climb back under there and hook up the little illuminated on-off toggles. They look like this, red and green on each side. They work like a champ. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Got to take the necessary precautions. Keep all this air traffic from hitting my water tower. They should see that just fine. We got some lights. This rotating beacon is awesome. My other one's the old style. It works. And we got the back floodlight tower working. I am going to hotwire the light fixture inside of the control station, so it's on all the time, and get an LED bulb so it stays cool. All right, y'all going. This thing's so cool. It's my first one of these to ever have and installed. It's working like a champ, untouched, just like I got it. I can adjust it and lube it as needed. Didn't realize this thing had a thermo switch in there that operates the light. But when you first turn it on, it's on constantly for a moment, then starts to blink, which is pretty neat. This light's working good. The beacon light is just fabulous. It just, you can change the speed. It's pretty awesome. And I'm gonna hotwire the light fixture inside there, the control tower with an LED bulb, so it's on all the time. Also got the bubbling marks tower re-hooked back up. I had a transformer underneath the layout running that because I had short wires on it, but now it is ran to the control panel and operating with the switch. I got all the army stuff off the reverse loop and the horseshoe ramp. Trying to clean things up. Be able to actually run some trains here coming up. All right. Oh, you want to see what it looks like with the lights on here? Pretty sweet. Pumping that oil. Yeah. All right. Y'all have a good one. Just got these new LED bulbs. I couldn't be happier. They are awesome. So happy. They look amazing. Man, I made a small order just to see if I liked them, and I do. I think they're wonderful, and I will definitely be placing another order. They're pretty cool. All right, y'all have a great day. Okay, I'm about to crawl into the layout, finish wiring up the illuminated on-off toggles. I have 5 of them. I thought I had a couple more, but this is what I've found so far, so we'll just work with this. Anyway, hopefully we can have some individual track power here tonight. Look at this jumble of wires. Oh my God. This is the next project after that. And wire up a whole nother row of 12 switches, toggles. All right, I'll be back. All right, we have operational sidings here with switch block power, illuminated. have to pick the phone up for this last one here. It's the 736 way in the back. All right, coming along.